What's up guys, this is Jolin here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Realme Buds Q truly wireless Bluetooth earphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. After capturing the market with some good smartphone launches, Realme is expanding its business in the audio department as well. So can Realme compete with the wide range of truly wireless earphones available in the market with its Buds Q? Let's find out. Taking a look at the box, we can see that it comes in a yellow colored packaging with the picture and the name of the earphones written on the front. A Realme branding at the sides, while on the back we can see some important features, company information and the pricing mentioned. Opening up the box, we get the charging case in which the earphones are placed. Further opening the other compartment of the box, we can find the user manual, micro USB cable and some extra ear tips. Now getting back to the earphones, I purchased them at the price of around 1999 Indian rupees from Amazon India. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested in the same. Now just to give you a physical overview, on the top of the charging case we have the Realme branding. Then on the front we have the LED light which glows while the case is being charged. And on the back we get a micro USB port for charging. Then inside the case we have the magnetic charging contact pins. On the earbuds we find the touch area, the microphone, and on the back we have the charging contacts. As for the build quality, the case is made up of plastic which looks good enough, and it comes in a matte black color which doesn't look cheap at all. There's a slight movement of the earbuds inside the charging case, but the magnet is strong enough to hold the earbuds in its place. The earbuds on the other hand are also made up of good plastic, and they too don't feel cheap at all. So overall, I was really satisfied with the build quality of the Realme Buds Q. Connecting the earphones to your phone was very quick and easy. Simply turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and then take out both the earbuds from the charging case. Then open Bluetooth search interface on your phone and locate Realme Buds Q, and then click Connect to pair your earbuds with your phone. As for the touch controls, it was a hit or a miss for me for the first couple of days, as the touch area is kind of small. But when you get used to the position of the touch area, it works fine to most extent. You can customize the touch controls in the Realme Link app, which is really good in my opinion. It's also worth noting that these are IPX4 water and sweat resistant, so you can use them while working out. As for the Bluetooth range, I wasn't much happy about it, as I managed to walk just around 5 to 6 meters before the music started stuttering, and also faced sudden drops in connection a few times. I also noticed that when the music was playing, the sound suddenly disappeared for 1 or 2 seconds and then was back again. This happened to me multiple times as well. Okay guys, so now as for the Realme Link app, all what you have to do is go to the Play Store and download the app. Once you download and open the app, you will be seeing this screen over here. It's a basic and a very simplified app, you can say. The first thing that you can see is the Realme Buds is shown over here, which says it's already connected to my phone. On top there's a plus sign here. If you click on that, you can add more devices if you have. Whereas if you want to customize the touch, then all what you have to do is just click here. And as you can see here, there are some options here like game mode, left earbud actions, then the right earbud action, then the left plus right earbud actions. In the game mode is basically the low latency mode which the Realme claims to have. If you turn it on, it will activate the game mode. You can also do by long pressing on both the earbuds for around 2 seconds. On the left earbud actions, you have some options here like double tap, triple tap and touch and hold for 2 seconds. You can customize these taps as per your liking. As you can see, once you click here, there are different options here like play, pause, next track, previous track, voice assistant and off. I have customized the double tap on the left earbud for next track, triple tap for the previous track, and touch and hold for 2 seconds for the voice assistant. Whereas on the right earbud I have placed a double tap for play or pause, and triple tap I've set it off, whereas a touch and hold for 2 seconds I've set it for voice assistant. Whereas the left plus right earbud actions, you can do only one thing, that is the game mode. Now sadly there is no option to increase or decrease the volume, but that's it. So guys, now let's check out the functions of the touch. So on my right hand side I have the right earbud, whereas on the left side I've got my left earbud. So as per my customizations or my settings, I had set the play or pause for the right earbud. So let us have a look at the same. If I double tap on it, it pauses. If I double tap again, it plays. So the functions work fine. Whereas on the left earbud, we had set it the option to like double tap for the next track. So let us do that. Double tap and shift it to the next track. As you can see here, there you go. The triple tap will take my song to the previous track. So let's try that as well. Let's try it once again. There you go. Last but not the least, if I long press the touch, will open the voice assistant. There you go. As for the music play time, I managed to get around 15 to 16 hours of music playback on the Buds Q. Kindly note that these times are including the battery backup of the charging case. The call quality on the other hand is good to most extent, although I felt a little bit of sync issues sometimes with both the earbuds. But I didn't face any complaints from the receiver's end while on a phone call. As for the charging time, I managed to charge the earphone from 0 to 100% in approximately 2 hours. Coming to the comfort, there are 3 different ear tips included with these earphones, so I imagine one of them will fit your ears nicely. I use the default tips and have had no problems at all. The earbuds are angled slightly forward so that the sound is fed right into your skull, and they stay in my ears 95% of the time. They aren't designed for jogging or strenuous walking. However, if you start moving around too much, they will come out. And as they don't have any wires, may fall off your ears and get lost. I haven't had any discomfort from the earbuds, and the silicone tips are soft and non-irritating. As for the latency, the Buds Q have 119 millisecond super low latency mode, which works really well. I noticed very minor delay to no delay at all when I played the game of Call of Duty on my smartphone. Even while watching videos and the super low latency mode turned off, I noticed very minor delay but didn't see any lip syncing issues. So when it comes to the latency, I was really satisfied and happy with the Realme Buds Q. Coming to the sound quality, the Realme Buds Q sound really good in my opinion, but I felt they should have been a little bit louder. The 10mm bass boost drivers pumps out good bass and with a punch to it. If you are a bass lover, then these won't get you disappointed, but the bass gets a bit boomy for bass heavy songs and at higher volumes. The highs and the mids on the other hand were good to my liking, and I could easily distinguish between them while listening to different types of music. The vocals were very crisp and clear, but again at higher volume the vocals got kinda lost in the booming bass. You can also use one earbud at a time if you don't want to use both the earbuds, as it works well with calls and music, although you won't get the stereo effect which you get while using both the earbuds. I would rate the Buds Q 8.5 out of 10 purely on music basis and 8.5 out of 10 again for the build quality. Finally, as for my verdict, the Realme Buds Q is a nice set of earphones, especially considering the price. The sound quality is great and you really pick up on everything that your music recordings have to offer. The build quality is fine, good battery life, and is also a good companion for talking without wires. The only place where it disappoints is with the connection stability sometimes, the Bluetooth range, and the homey effect with regards to bass. I wouldn't recommend these if you want to use them during running or jogging, provided you're careful as they don't have wires. But if you want to use it for casual listening to music with a good sound at home or on the go, then these are easy to recommend. So guys, that's it for the video, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, hit the thumbs up button, and if you all didn't, you all can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you all haven't, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.